All right, welcome back, dear creatives, and I have my crinoline right here taped with my bias tape, okay, and this is how it looks. All right, always take notes that needs finishing is everything. All right, this is how it looks, so make sure you sew it carefully, while sewing along. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to create your loop for your embellishment. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and form a loop for this project. Okay, I'm forming my loop right here. Okay, and I'm going to be making a bow, but you can also call it a loop. Okay, with the one behind it a little bit longer than the one above. Okay, as you can see, the taping made the crinoline look very, very beautiful. Okay, and that is exactly how I want it to look. Like I said, you can tape just one side, you can tape both sides. It depends on you. Okay, so this is how it looks. I have 3 steps right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tack it down to my base. This is now my base. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tack it down the way you want it to be on your uh head. Okay, I've actually tested this on my dummy to see how it's going to sit, and I'm just going to tack it down this way using my needle and my thread. Okay, so just use your needle and thread, tack it down properly. Okay, and when tacking it down, just make sure that you tack it down in such a way that the thread does not show too much in between, although you're going to cover it. All right, but just make sure you don't have your thread moving all around the place. So I'm going to go ahead and tack this down right now, and I'll show you how it looks like when I'm done. All right, welcome back, and this is how it looks. I did not cut my excess thread because I still need my needle and my thread to continue tacking. All right, and I'm going to tack my feather, and I'm just going to hide it at the back of my crinoline right here. Okay, so I'm just hiding it under. Okay, because I want it to just come up a little this way. Okay, now like I said before, I said I want a touch of splash, like I want a color that will pop out of the yellow. Okay, and this is how it looks right here. Don't forget that I asked you to tack lightly so you don't have your thread flipping or showing all around the place. So you can just go ahead and cover up with this, but before then I'm just going to go ahead and tack my feather. It's best for you to tack your feather because it will help it to stay steady and it won't come out easily. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and tack my feather this way, just here, because I want it to stand, like just to give it a little splash on the crinoline right here. So after attaching my feather right here, I'm going to go ahead and just use my E6000 glue right here. Okay, I have my E6000 right here, and I have my fabric flower right here, and I also have my trimmings. Okay, so you can decide to use any trimming of choice. This is just to embellish the parts or the body of my base. So before I go to all of those ones, I'm going to go ahead and tack my feather and we'll continue from there. All right, welcome back, dear creatives, and this is how my fascinator is looking. It's looking so beautiful, and I love the effects of that loop on it. Do you? Okay, drop your comments, drop your questions on the group, and I'll be there to answer you. Make sure you get creative and whatever it is you are doing. So I would like to just point out this part to you right here. I discovered that I have this feather showing right here, so I'm just, instead of using my fabric flower to cover the middle, I'll use it to cover this place like this. Okay, just to cover it up. Always remember that finishing is everything. Just take note of that. So I'm going to just apply my glue, my E6000 glue. Okay, just apply it a little on it, leave it to dry. I'm putting it aside, and I have my gemstones right here. So instead of using my fabric flower to cover this part here, I'm going to be using my gold gemstone to cover it up. So I'm just going to apply my glue a little. Also, if you have UHU glue, it will also work perfectly. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this up, all right, this way, so it does not show. So I'm going to go ahead and use my other gemstones just to embellish the body of my uh fascinator right here, all around, as you like. It depends on you. So that is that about today's class. I hope you have gotten value in today's tutorial. I really hope to see your practicals. Like I say every now and then, practice is very, very important. It's important for you to practice. Please drop your comments, drop your questions, and please, I'd like you to take 1 minute to just go to our Facebook page at Alluredbyruby on Facebook. Also, I'm inviting you to our uh Facebook group at Alluredbyruby Craft Academy. All right, so we have lots of freebies going on the group, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on any of them. Also, follow us on Instagram at Alluredbyruby. Okay, just click the follow button and I will be so happy. Thank you so much for joining us in today's tutorial. My name is Adiola once again. Bye.